Today's episode is not about victory, but about the path to it. This is the Tyrrell 007, a Formula One car from 1974. It was neither a championship winner nor a revolutionary design, but cars like this reveal how Formula One of that era truly worked. 1974 was a transitional moment for Formula One. Ground effect had not yet taken over, and aerodynamics were important, but not decisive. A straight nose, minimal wings, no visual excess. The narrow air intake above the driver's head supplied cooler, more stable airflow to the engine, improving consistency and predictability in power delivery. In 1974, solutions like this were not yet tools for aerodynamic exploitation as they would become later, but rather a way to make the car's behavior more stable over the course of a race. Everything was built around balance and predictability. At a time when teams were already beginning to push the limits of the regulations, Tyrrell still relied on mechanics and the driver. Behind the wheel, Jody Scheckter. Aggressive, uncompromising, sometimes too much so. This car did not smooth out mistakes. It demanded total control. And that is why the Tyrrell 007 is a machine that reveals a driver's character. For Scheckter, it was an ideal and, at the same time, dangerous partnership. This is not the most successful or the most famous Tyrrell, and it is exactly cars like this that are most often forgotten. It was in machines like this that Scheckter learned control. Not speed, he already had plenty of that, but discipline. Without this phase and this car, there would have been no world champion in 1979. This is a car that shows how Formula One operated between revolutions. This 1:43 scale Minichamps model captures a moment when Formula One was no longer a garage series.